Hey, it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Reactor Nuclear Packing Puzzle Expansion Set Radium. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So, this is an expansion for the nuclear packing puzzle. So you have to buy the main one first, and then you can buy this and you have another puzzle. The main crux of this puzzle is that we have these long pieces, and they have this little tip, and that has a magnet underneath it. We have magnets in here in the deeper slots that they fit into. We actually have multiple layers of slots, but the only ones that have magnets are the longer ones. If you put them in the right hole, they attract. Put them in the wrong hole, and they will repel. Apparently this one's just going to attract in every hole I put it in. Huh. Oh, there we go, finally. So it won't sit down in the hole nicely. It'll keep popping out. This one's also interesting, as pieces are going to layer on top of each other. So we actually have like gaps that we're going to bridge over other pieces to make the flat unit. So, to begin with, we are going to start with this big old chunky piece here. We got our two indents for other pieces to sit on top of. And we are going to put it like so. Oh, I'm already confused. Oh no. Okay, we're gonna go with this piece and we're going to put it here. There we go. Okay. Yes, this will be our first piece. Our second piece will be this guy, and we'll put him like so. Then our third piece will be this L block. We'll put it up here. And then we're going to start layering on top of these. This is our base. So we'll take this piece here and we'll put it on top of this one. We'll take our, what will we take next? We'll take this piece, line block, put it like so. We will take our T block, and we will put it like so. This L block. And then our last one little unit can go in the corner. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.